How to center buttons on Webflow. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to center your buttons on Webflow. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is open up your webflow.com and you will get to your editor right here. Select the website. And when we add buttons on Webflow, they are not actually centered. They are added right here in like start in a right alignment of our screen. So how to actually go ahead and add buttons at the center. So first of all, I'm just going to click on this plus icon and then we have add option. In add, we're going to select a button. Right here, we have the button. So you're going to scroll the button and place it right here. So you can see at the side of the screen how to, get it right here in the center because we cannot move our button. So what we can do is we can actually go to the layout now, or we can go to the spacing of the button that we have selected. And now from here, what you will do is you will actually move your button. You can see we have layout. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select the display. First, select the display you want to go for. Then you're going to select the direction, horizontal or vertical. And then we have alignment. In alignment, you're going to select this one right here, which is the stretch, and it will take your button right here to the middle of your page. You can see right here. So it's all about the layout right here. And we also have size and position. So you can also go to the position right here if you want to get it to the center. And you can see you can get a fixed position, sticky position, relative, or static. So I'm going to go with the static position, and it's going to be a centered align from here, alignment. Now we can customize the button text from here, and we can also add the link. So you can see this is how you center your button on Webflow with this layout option. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.